Good morning everyone, just thought I'd do another little promotional video here today, just to show you one of the tools that we use on all of our jobs. Now this is a laminate floor guillotine. The reason we use this, the main reason for me, is because it cuts down the amount of dust that we use, but two, it speeds up the installation time by 60–70%. It gives you a nice neat cut on the board. There's much more professional finish as well, but I'll show you how it works, which is quite obvious really. Put the thing in there and chop. So it gives a nice neat cut edge on the board. So yeah, when you're using a chop saw or anything to cut this stuff, it obviously produces quite a lot of dust. But within that dust as well, with laminate, real wood, or click LVT flooring, it produces an emission or a gas called formaldehyde, which isn't good for anyone to breathe in or to put into the atmosphere. So that's why we use that. And like I said, it speeds up the installation time. So if you're a tradesman that's already bought one of these off us, if you could put your opinion on the tool below this video. So we do supply to trade. If you are interested, pop in and have a look.